Normal po ba yung pag-weaken or paghinto ng erection sa isang senior citizen po?
Unfortunately, kasama na yan sa package eh. As we age, talagang nagkakaroon ka ng erectile dysfunction. Ano ba ang erectile dysfunction? It is the inability to attain and or maintain an erection enough for penetration and ejaculation. So, kailangan magkaroon ka ng erection. Number 2, kailangan sustain mo. Tapos, number 3, dapat enough yung tigas niya para makapenetrate ka ng partner and kailangan matapos mo. When you are like on your 70s, it's a good 60-70% ng lalaki meron ng problema talaga. So kung halimbawa, 10 magkakabarkada, 70 years old and above, nagsabi wala silang problema sa erection, you know that 7 of them are lying. Usually ito nangyayari talaga as early as 40s. Every decade, dumadami ng dumadami yan.